Hi, I'm Yoni Assia, CEO and founder of eToro.com, the world's largest investment network. Our vision is to open the global markets for everyone to trade and invest in a simple and transparent way. And when I started trading when I was 16, I soon realized that in order to succeed, just like in high school, I need to copy and learn from the best. So we're going to present to you the largest investment network in the world, where you can see, follow, and copy from the best traders around the world. And we're going to follow a scenario of a user on Facebook, like all of my employees. Most of the work time is there. So Alon is on his Facebook. Luckily, he can see that I just published my trade, sold from Finovate just now from my Android. He can see this handsome man inviting him to the largest investment network in the world. And he can press continue. Now, what he'll be able to see here is all of our traders' feed in real time. Our traders' feed is real trades of real people from all around the world from the real trading account. And this is the first time a global brokerage has really took all the information and embedded it transparently in their platform. Alon can also click into any of the profiles. This is, for example, my private profile. You can see my entire trading history. Again, this is my trading history of my real trading account. You can see the entire trades there. He can jump into stats. In the stats, you can actually see different time frames of my trading history, P&L. He can go down and see trading patterns, what I've been trading, whether I've been trading currencies, commodities, or indices, the global markets. You can see my risk appetite and behavior. If we'll go back to the profile, he'll be able to actually see on each trade that I'm doing, he'll be able to see different comments of my fellow traders commenting on my trades, or he can press the trade story to actually see when I got into a trade and when I got out of a trade. Now, if...
Yoni, but how would I know that you opened a new trade, for example?
So at this stage, Alon can actually follow me to see all of my new trades and get notified of all of my new trades. Any person in the world can open up an eToro account using any of his social connectivity or his social networks, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Once he signs in, he can follow my account. And once he starts following my account, he can go directly into his own private trader's feed, where he'll find his own watch list. In his own watch list, he'll be able to see trading activity of just the people he's been following. And once he sees the trading activity of people he's been following, you can see I've sold the FTSE 100, so maybe try to copy the FTSE 100 or gold. He can actually not only follow me, but copy that trade, the exact trade I've been doing, directly into his account. And we're launching today the copy trade, which enables you to copy the trades directly into the account, and they'll be closed when actually I close the trade. So this is direct linkage between my trading account and his trading account. Can open the trade, and the trade will be opened directly in his trading account. He can now move to our WebTrader platform, which, by the way, was voted the most innovative trading platform of 2010. He can see the actual trade. This is the actual trade I did in my account on gold. In his account, you can see it's linked, which means he can close it at any time. But once I close it or change anything in the trade, it'll change automatically in his account. And within the platform, you can actually see the challenges, the largest...
Yoni, my paycheck I'll be happy to take from you. But I would really like to find the really good traders. So
Okay.
How do I find the really good ones?
Talk about the paycheck later, but you can move back to the eToro open book. So in the open book, if Alon doesn't want only to follow me but see other people, he can go into markets, browse by the different markets, and actually see for each market its chart, its actual quote. He can go into commodities, for example, and press on oil. So as everybody knows, oil has been soaring with everything going in Egypt. You can see the price. You can see the jump in the prices of oil. If you'll go down, you'll actually see the market sentiment at eToro. You will see who's buying and who's selling oil. And you can drill down to actually see the entire trading activity on oil. Obviously, more people right now are buying oil than selling oil. If you want to browse by market leaders, you can see in each country actually who's the leader in that country. So if you're from the UK, you might want to see who's the market leader, who's the more profitable trader on oil in the UK. You can see past market leaders, you can see leaders nearby from countries nearby, and people believe they want to see somebody close to them. You can see it on countries or in regions or in the entire world. And of course, if you just want a price bar performance, like in everything in finance, you can look at different time scales and see our entire trader's activity for the past history. So this is the 6-month activity. You see a whopping 360%, and obviously this is changing in real time, all the time.
Well, it's very interesting. I would like to see what my trades are doing now.
Okay, so Alon is impatient. He wants to get back to his trading account.
Well, didn't do so well now.
Didn't do so well, but he can buy now buy the euro dollar, for example, or buy anything he wants. And now he can share what he's trading back to his Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and bring his friends either to follow him or to follow me. And that is the future of financial trading and investing. Of course, the future is social, and everybody's following everybody. And think about a future where you can actually see in your trading account the best traders, the experts from around the world, buying and selling for their own and linking it directly into your account. And everybody who wants to take part of the largest investment network in the world is welcome to come to our booth and get $100 free in a real trading account to test it for him or for his bank customers. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on our network.